Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. The pandemic has brought about a pathetic situation worldwide. Today, I'm going to talk to you about long COVID, that is, the after effects of COVID 19. While prevention is better than cure, here we see even after cure, people are found with complaints. Oftentimes, an important study led by a Bristol based hospital found that as many as 75% of patients suffered from post COVID distress after discharge. As infection cases continue to soar worldwide, it is vivid that COVID is simply not just a cold or flu like infection. It poses risk for people across all age groups in different degrees and affects some more gravely than the others. On its impact on one's quality of life, we do know that the deadly respiratory virus can have longer lasting side effects. For many, viral load may have depleted, but some typical symptoms such as cough, itching throat, and fatigue may continue to persist for weeks after combating the illness. Recovered patients are returning to hospitals complaining of heart issues, mental distress, and much more. Hence, it is even more crucial that we do not simply wait for a vaccine to get over the COVID tide, but take stringent measures to keep ourselves away from danger. A new study done in the UK has found more evidence pertaining to the same. 1 in 10 people may be bound to suffer from symptoms of the viral infection or damage even after successfully recovering from it. Termed as long COVID, a study conducted by the University of Leeds and Leeds Teaching Hospitals NHS Trust examined the lives of some recovered COVID patients to identify a pattern of long lasting symptoms and consequences of the disease which are more likely to be experienced by people hospitalized due to the infection. Symptoms such as fever, cough, or loss of smell, however, improved over time in most patients. For most patients, normal tasks such as dressing, traveling, returning to work started to feel cumbersome. Several other studies conducted in the past months have now shown proof that post COVID care is something that needs to be given due importance as well. From mild, moderate to severe, the most commonly recorded after ill effects of the illness have been fever, muscle aches, cough, energy loss, fatigue, breathlessness, memory problems, cognitive decline, stress, anxiety, lung damage, heart ailments, etc. The severity of the symptoms differed depending on a person's COVID diagnosis as well. While COVID could leave long lasting consequences, it's important to know that one must exercise caution and care before and after recovery. Healthcare centers are now realizing the need of the same, and world over, post COVID care centers are being set up to attend to patients in need. One such facility has also been set up at AIIMS, New Delhi. Doctors also advise that patients who make a recovery from the disease, whether at home or at the hospital, should continue to stay in touch with doctors and note down any symptom which feels different. I hope by now you would have known long COVID and how disgusting it can be. Let's thank our good God for restoring our health. Take good care of our health and stay blissful. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.